Miss Nana will be giving you a project about the launch of our coffee product.
Okay.
I want you and your team to have a product proposal for you present. I want it within 3 days, okay?
3 days. Okay. Thank you very much, Mom, and I'm sure you that this will be a success.
Yes, Mom. Are you asking for me?
Yes, kami. Alam niyo ba tungkol dun sa project na inasin sa atin ni Mrs. Spiritu?
Yes, Mom.
Alam mo na rin ba na due yun in 2 weeks?
Yes, Mom.
Sabihin mo na ba lahat ng teams?
Hindi pa po, Mom.
Di ba? Sabihin mo na kagad kasi nga due yun in 2 weeks. So, kailangan ma-inform mo na sila regarding sa new product.
Yes,
Ano ba yun?
Madam. Do I need to call for a meeting?
Do anything you need to do.
Okay, Ma'am.
Sinabi sa akin ng Melan Judith na i-deliver ng mga suppliers.
Ikaw na bahala dyan. Marami pa akong paperwork. Yan ang task mo. Ikaw magsabi sa ibang mong kasama.
Okay. Good na.
Yes?
Sa inyo, product ko naman ako-focus. Can you help me to communicate with the suppliers?
Yeah, I am the one who in charge with that thing. Kaya lang kailangan ko pa itong tapusin. Teka, kailan ba yun?
Actually, we do have only 2 weeks. As for now, ang problema lang natin is wala pa akong knowledge about the new product. Since wala din ako nakakuha information sa team.
Gosh, paano yan? Kailangan ko pa itong tapusin. Kailangan ko pa ito ipasa kay boss.
Okay. It's alright. Thank you. Go ahead na lang. Gagawin pa ako.
Sige, bye.
Kaka-stress. Lahat na lang ng trabaho sa akin yung binibigay. Kakainis. Babagal pa ng mga kasama ko. Wala lang. Kaya ko din to. Ay, saan ba to? Nakaka-stress naman lahat na lang ng trabaho. Nakakainis. Ay, si Miss Nan. Hello, madam. May concern po ako about the new product. Can we talk? Can I go to your office na lang po? I'll show you na lang po. Okay. I'll be there in a minute. Thank you. Ito na yung chance ko para magawa ko ng maayos ng trabaho ko to. Hi, sa wakas! Hi, ma'am. Good morning po.
Morning, Vegas.
Ma'am, here are the papers po concerning to our new coffee product.
You can help with your employees regarding this.
Actually, ma'am, hindi po. Kaya nga po lumapit ako sa inyo dahil alam ko po na kayo ang may authority about this.
Is this all?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, here's what you will do.